You're welcome to this video training. In this very video, I'm going to walk you through how I deposit on Exness instantly. Alright, it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how I deposit on Exness using crypto. So the first thing you're going to do, once you open up your Exness application, you'll see something like this, right? Just click on deposits. Once you click on it, it's going to open up. It's going to take you to where you're going to see different payment options, right? Scroll down. You can see different payment options here, right? So for the sake of this particular video, we're just going to be depositing just $20, right? So these are different networks, right? So we're going to pick USDT BEP20, right? Just this particular one, USDT BEP20. So click on it and then click on continue. And then this is our address, right? This is the address we're going to be sending the money to. So all we need to do is just to copy this very address. So once we copy it, you go to your exchange, right? If you're using Bybit, Binance, BitGet, anyone. So copy your address and then let's go to BitGet, right? For this particular video, I'm going to be using BitGet and we're just going to be funding just $20. So once you open up your BitGet, just click on withdraw. And then you're going to see different withdrawal types, right? And then just select on-chain withdrawal. You can see that we already have the USDT here, right? You'll just click on USDT and it's going to open up. All right, so the address that we copied, just paste it on this withdrawal address box. Then let's select the network. Remember that we are using BEP20, right? And then, like I said, I'm going to be, for the sake of the particular video, I'm going to be funding $20, $21. Then click on withdraw. Click on confirm. And they are going to send you a verification code to your email, all right? And your Google Authenticator. So let's go to our email. All right, so this is the verification code. Open it up and here is the code. So let's copy the code and then head back to BitGet and then paste it in, right? Copy and let's paste it here. All right, so let's go to our authenticator and then copy the code, copy the BitGet code and then paste it in. This is just an extra security, all right, to avoid hackers getting access to your account and all of that, right? So we've copied the code. Now your withdrawal order has been submitted, right? So we're just going to wait for some time for the withdrawal to be processed, right? It typically takes up to 5 minutes. Now if you're new to Exness, if you don't have an Exness account, I'm going to attach a particular video, all right? Watch that video so that you can understand how to create your Exness account. Exness is one of the best brokers you can actually use in 2026 and it has been around for over 18 years. It was founded in 2008, right? So it has been around for over 18 years. So it's one of the best brokers you can actually use in terms of fast withdrawals, fast deposit, and spread and slip rate, right? So if you are new to Exness, just click on the particular video. You'll see a link on this very video here. Click on it to take you to that very video. Watch the video and understand how to register on Exness, right? I'm also going to be leaving a link on the description section on this very video. It's going to help you to understand how to register on Exness, right? Once you click on a particular link, it's going to take you to Exness, and then from there you can create your account, all right? So the link will be on the description of this very video, right? So you can see it's showing under review. Like I said, it takes up to 5 minutes for your withdrawal on crypto to be processed, right? So immediately it's processed, we're going to head back to our BitGet and our Exness app, and you see that the money will be credited. All right. So a quick recap, like I said, I'm going to be leaving the link on how you can register on Exness on the description of this very video, right? Click on a particular link and it's going to take you to Exness and then you can register. All right, it's validating already. Just a few more seconds. So let's wait for it. As a beginner trader, Exness is one of the best broker you can actually use, right? They have good leverage. It's just the best. All right, I recommend Exness 1000%. So if you're a beginner trader, make sure to check out Exness. And like I said, the link will be on the description of this very video, right? Click on a particular link and then register on Exness. So let's wait. You can fund as low as $12 on Exness, right? And you can open up to multiple positions on Exness using the 1:1 unlimited. Exness is the best. I'm telling you, the best broker you can actually see out there, right? It's the best. All right, so a few more minutes to go. Sorry, a few more seconds. Let's wait. Still validating. All right, successful. Now let's go back to our Exness app, and then let's just click on this X box, this X sign here. All right, this very X box here. Let me circle it out. So click on this X box, and then let's see if it has been funded. All right, so this is it, right? It has been funded $21.59 US, right? So you can see how fast it is using crypto to fund, right? If you're also using the direct instant deposits on Naira from bank, if you're using a normal bank transfer, it's also fast as well. All right, but this particular video is all about funding your account using crypto. So if you like this particular video, make sure to leave a comment on the comment section, and don't forget to check the description section to get the link to register on Exness. All right, like I said, it's one of the best brokers you can use